You ever look upon the teenager and wonder if this is the same little pit where you used to wander upon dog in a pampas? 1 minute them sweet and loving, next minute them acting like you is the worst person upon the earth. Just because you tell the pitney them to go wash the plate. Me say, the teenage years hotter than pepper sauce, but not worry yourself no more. Salvation cometh in a book form. A practical guide to surviving the teenage years. These are the best gift you can buy for your teenager and for your own peace of mind. You want to know why? It teach them how to angle them attitude. No more screw face by you. It remind them say you is not the enemy. Cause them swear say your job is to make them life miserable. It show them how to be responsible. Yes, taking out the garbage won't kill them. And it explain why you're always in a them business because you is the CEO of Fairytale Limited. Me not lie, this book might just save you from calling the pastor, the police, or the prophet. Parents, don't make them teenage madness stress you out. Buy the book today before you start talk to yourself and answer.